How's it going? Conor here from Train Like a Warrior, and on today's video I'm going to be showcasing a killer 100 push-up challenge that you can perform absolutely anywhere with no gym and no equipment needed. Now this challenge is took from the Train Like a Warrior app, designed to really push yourself no matter what level of fitness you are, so let's get it. So the very first push-up variation is going to be the clap push-up. And first of all, I'm going to be showcasing the more advanced variation and then showcase the modified version to suit whatever your current level of fitness is. So you're focusing on 10 clap push-ups, bringing the chest right down and exploding up for 10 reps. Now if that's too difficult, simply go onto your knees and perform the modified variation. If you can, try to get the clap, okay? If the clap is too difficult, just come down and try to explode up with your hands coming off the ground like so. So that's exercise number 1. Moving on to exercise number 2, your wide grip push-up variation, and once again it's 10 reps for every one of these movements. Wide grip, hands placed wider than shoulder width apart, chest comes down, touches the ground, okay? Once again, to make it easier, perform any of these movements on your knees. Exercise number 3 is just your normal push-up variation, so your hands shoulder width apart, chest coming right down, touching the ground, pushing out 10 reps. Now you want to focus on keeping the form solid and trying to get through this workout as quickly as you can. Okay, moving onwards, next exercise is going to be your diamond grip push-up. Once again, 10 reps of this movement. Hand position, like so, diamond grip, bringing the chest right down, touching that diamond grip for 10 solid reps. Again, if it's too difficult, drop to your knees, perform the modified version. The next exercise is going to be your pike push-up. So hips up high, tippy toes in the air, try to bring your hands in close to your body, focus on bringing your nose right down and touching the ground. Once again, pushing out 10 reps. If it's too difficult, drop to your knees, try to keep your hips up high, and just coming down, like so. Exercise number 6 is knuckle push-up. So hands positioned like so, with your clenched fist, come down, 10 reps, chest touches the ground. This is a brilliant movement to really help build up your forearm and grip strength. If it's too difficult, drop to your knees, push out 10 reps in the modified position. Moving onwards, exercise number 7 is your archer push-up. So your hands are wide apart and your fingers are pointing out to the side like so. From here, I want you to drop down to one side, trying to keep full extension of the arm. That's 1 rep, and then switch around and repeat that process for 10 reps. Once again, too difficult, drop to your knees and perform the modified variation. Focus on making sure that that arm is fully extended for each rep. Exercise number 8 is the body up. So your hand position like so, with your forearms on the ground, and you're pushing off your forearms. Like that there. It's a brilliant movement for your forearm strength and building out your triceps. So you want to push out 10 reps. If it's too difficult, drop to your knees. Exercise number 9 is going to be your lateral hand push-up. So all you're doing is getting your hand position like so, with your hands turned inwards slightly, focusing on bringing your chest right down and touching the ground. This is another brilliant movement for your forearm strength as well as working your inner chest. Drop to your knees if it is too difficult. Finally, we're going straight in to another 10 reps of your clap push-ups, the one that we done at the very start. Coming down and exploding up. And at this part of the workout, this is where it's going to be extremely difficult. So take your time, make sure you're hitting your form right. Perform 10 reps of every one of those movements, and that right there is your 100 push-up workout complete. If you want to see more challenges just like this, be sure to click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you never miss any of these upcoming videos. And if you have any video suggestions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. Also, feel free to video yourself performing this challenge and tag me in it on my Instagram at Conor Sloan _. And if you're looking to take your physique to the next level by working personally alongside with me, click the link below and become a Train Like a Warrior member today. Once again, thank you so much for checking out the video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.